Hi fam, it's your mentor Josao here again with another tutorial. So I'll be doing more of tutorials, alright? Next week I'm going to be uploading flipping videos, but for this week I want to teach you guys how you can also be able to trade perfectly. Okay? So in this video I'm going to teach you how to place orders, all right, like how you can basically enter a trade and also pending orders. In the forex market there are basically two type of orders. We have market orders, okay, that is what you giving a command to your broker. All right, if you want to use the broker which I'm using, kindly click the first link in the description. All right, and you can basically create and verify your account. So market order is basically a type of order that you are telling the broker, all right, that you want to enter the trade now. You either want to buy or you want to sell currently. And the second type of order is called pending order. That is what you want to enter in the future. You don't want to enter now, you want to enter in the future. And there are basically four major type as a beginner orders. All right, we have the buy stop, sell stop, buy limit, and sell limit. So if you come here, basically let's say we want to enter gold. All right, when you basically tab here, you're going to see new order. All right, you're going to see new order. So if you tab here, you come to the top here. Okay, you come to the top here, you are seeing market execution. Just tap this one and you are going to see the other types that are available here. So for me, I advise you guys to use MetaTrader 4 or MT4 as a beginner. It is very easy and friendly to use. If you have not watched my MetaTrader 4 tutorial, ensure to check the MT4 playlist and you can watch that. So now let's come to the first one, market execution. What does market execution mean? This means you want to enter the trade now. Okay, you want to enter the trade now. Either you want to buy or you want to sell. This is what, if you want to buy, this is the price at which you are going to buy. If you want to sell, this is the price which you are going to sell. This is called in trading the bid price, the selling price, and this is called the ask price. Ask is also called buy. Okay, so you look at the bottom here, we have buy and we have sell. So if you press this buy and sell button, you are going to enter the trade now. What do I mean by this? Let's just open the chart of Zao. Let's see. Okay, H4. So let's just open. All right, so let's say we want to enter for our sell trade. You just tap order. Let's just reduce the lot size. I don't want to lose a lot of money. So now, as soon as you press market execution, you are going to enter the trade. Now we press sell. Okay, now you have pressed sell, which means you are currently trading Zao. Zao is also called gold. Okay, so you are currently inside this trade, you are trading gold. This is this price you are seeing here is your entry price, and this price is the current price of the asset which you are trading. Okay, this is your current profit or your current loss. If you are in a loss, you are going to see negative and red. If you are in profit, you are going to see blue, and it's also going to show you at the top here. This is what we mean by market execution. You want to enter the market now. Okay, now we are selling. Okay, if you want to buy, you just press buy again. So this is basically the first one. The second type of order are called pending orders. Alright, there are basically four types of pending orders. So now you come again, I've closed the Zao trade. Now you come back here, you tap order. Then you come to the top. Now you are seeing buy limit, sell limit, buy stop, sell stop. Before we move further, I want to make this very clear. Whenever we talk about buy, as a beginner, please pay attention. Whenever you say buy, okay, it means you are saying the price is going to go up. For example, you enter when the price of an asset, okay, you enter when the price of an asset is $2, okay, then you buy. It means if the price go to $3, $4 and above, anything above 2, all right, you are going to make profit. But if it moves down like $1 or 1.5, 1.7, you are losing money. Okay, so this is basically what we mean by buy. Sell basically means you are saying the market is going to drop down. When you are selling, you are saying the market is going to drop down. The value of that asset is going to drop down. For example, you enter the market when the price of an asset is $10 and it drops down to 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, and as the case might be, you are going to make profit. But if it moves to like what, 10.30, 11, 12, 13, 14, you are going to what, lose money. Okay, whenever you are buying, all right, it means you are saying the price is going to go up. Whenever you are selling, it means like what, the price is going to go down. So you come here, you tap for what, Zao, you see new order, and you tap this one, buy limit order. What is buy limit? Okay, so let me give you guys simple explanation. Now, a buy limit order, currently this is the current market price. Okay, the price is currently what, $5. All right, the price is currently $5. Let's say we are trading Bitcoin. Now this is the current market price, where this circle is the current market price. You are saying the price is going to continue to drop. When it drops, it reaches here, you believe like what, it's going to stop dropping, it's going to what, move to the upside. That's why we say whenever you get to hear the word buy, it means what you are saying is going to go up. So in simple terms, this is the current market price, okay, and the market is what, dropping. So if you want to put a buy limit order, you can just put a buy limit order, let's say here. So your trade is not, you are not going to enter the trade until the price drops here. As for example, this is $5 and your order is what, 3. Okay, so the current market price is what, $5. If the price keep dropping, it keeps dropping and it reaches to $3, your trade is going to be triggered, which means you are going to enter the trade. For you to make money, you are saying now as soon as the price reach here, you believe the market is going to go up. So when it goes up, you are going to make money. But if it goes down, you are going to what, lose money. This is what we mean by what, buy limit order. So let's enter a buy limit trade so you guys can see. So you select here, you say what, buy limit. Okay, so the current market price is this one. The current market price is what, this one. Okay, so if you want to enter a buy limit, let's say 23.20, all right, then you place this one, you tap place. Okay, then now you are going to see what, buy limit. The current market price, this is gold, is what, this one. This is the current market price, 23.25. Now you are saying when the price of gold reaches to 23.20, you believe now the market is dropping. Okay, the market is dropping. This is the current market price here. You are saying if the price continues to drop and it reaches what, 23.20, the market is going to continue to the upside again. It's no longer going to continue to drop, but it's going to move to the upside. So now you are not in the trade. Your account balance is just like what, this. Nothing is going to happen. Nothing is going to happen at all. You are just going to see the current market price here moving. As soon as what, the price drops and it reaches this price, you are now going to enter the trade. This is what we mean basically by what, buy limit. So now let's come to what, sell limit. If you want to cancel the order, you can basically what, just slide like this and what, you delete this. You have deleted what, the order. All right, now let's come to the opposite. We have what we call sell limit. Sell limit, whenever you are selling, you already know like what, the market is going to go down. So now let's say this here, okay, the current market price is here. Okay, the market is moving up, but you are saying if price reaches here, okay, let's say now currently this is like $5. Okay, you are saying when the price reaches $7, the market is going to what, drop down. Okay, it is just the opposite of what, buy limit. I'll repeat again once more. So this is what, the current market price. The price is here. Okay, the price is here. Let's say this is what, $2 for of Bitcoin. Now you set your order here. You are saying when the price of Bitcoin reaches to $5, it's not going to continue to move up again. It's going to continue to drop down. So as soon as what, this current market price keeps pushing up, and it reaches this your order, this your $5, all right, you are automatically going to enter the trade. And if it continues to when you enter the trade, it keeps dropping, you are going to make what, lot of profit. But if your trade is triggered and it moves up, you are going to lose money. Why? Because this is a sell limit. Whenever you are selling, you are saying what, the price of that particular asset is going to go down. Hope this one is basically clear. If you are finding value so far in this tutorial, it's going to make my day if you subscribe, like this video, share this video. And if you have any question, please don't hesitate to reach me via Instagram at Joseph Sise Concept. I'll be happy to assist you. So now let's come to the remaining type of orders. We have two more types of orders. So we go again. Now let's use Bitcoin. Okay, we come to a new order. So we have talked about what? Buy limit and sell limit. This one is clear. Now let's talk about what? Buy stop. Buy stop order. So before we place our buy stop order, let me come to the whiteboard and explain. So a buy stop order is basically, this is the current market price. Okay, this is the current market price. This is like what? $5. And let's say our buy stop order is at the top, which is like what? $7. You are saying now the price, for example, I'm going to use Bitcoin. The price of what Bitcoin currently is what? $5. But you believe the price of Bitcoin is going to continue to pump to the upside, is going to increase in value. Now you want to enter for a buy, but you don't want to enter now. You are saying now the price is $5, but in case the price keeps pumping and it reaches $7, you believe like what? The price is going to continue to move toward the upside. So as soon as what price continues to move, it reaches this $7 immediately. As soon as you have set, even if your phone is off, the order is going to be triggered. The order is going to be what? Triggered. So as soon as it reaches this $7, you are going to enter the trade. When you enter the trade, if the price keeps pumping up, you are going to make money. But if it drops down, you are going to what? Lose money. So this is what the current market price, which is $5, and your order here is what? $7. Okay, this is the buy stop. So if price continue to move up, it reaches this one, you are going to trigger. You are saying what? You believe the price is going to continue to pump up for this particular asset. All right, this is what we mean by what? Buy stop order. So to place buy stop order, you just press here, you come to like BTC, open new order, and we tap what? Buy stop. To set your buy stop, you want to enter higher price. The current price of Bitcoin is what? 60,904. So let's say we want to put a buy stop order at what? 61,000. We believe like when Bitcoin price reaches towards 61,000, it's going to pump up. So we have placed our order. So currently, the current market price of Bitcoin is what? 60,000. You are not in the trade yet. If the price keeps pushing up, it reaches what? 61,000. You are automatically going to what? Enter the trade. Then when you enter the trade, let's say from the price from 61,000, it moved to 61,300, 61,200, 400, 61,050. You are going to make money. So now, if we open the chart of Bitcoin, you open this chart, you open what? To the hour 4. Okay, let me just delete this. So now, this is what? Your buy stop order. You are seeing here the buy stop order is what? Right here. Okay, it has not been triggered. So the current market price is what? Here. This is where you are currently seeing this what? Arrow. These lines. Okay, the bid price and the ask price. The one at the top, the red one, okay, this red line you are seeing is called the ask price. That is the buying price. And the green is called what? The bid price. So as soon as now these two lines, okay, these two lines you are seeing currently on the chart, these two you are seeing, as soon as they what? Cross this line, you are going to automatically what? Enter the trade. All right, so this is basically what we mean by buy stop order. You can what? Just delete this one, and that's it. Let's come to the final type of order, which is the opposite, which is the sell stop order. Sell stop basically is what? The current market price is here. Okay, the current market price is here. Let's say this is Bitcoin and the current market price is $10. Okay, $10. So you set your sell stop order here. You say if the price drops and reaches to $7, you believe the what? Price of that particular asset is going to drop. So now this is $10 here, and the price keep dropping. It reaches $7. You are automatically going to enter the trade. For you to make profit, the price must continue to drop below 7. It must not reach 7. It must be like what? 6.9, 6.8, 5, 4, 3, 2. All right, the more it's dropping, the more profit you are going to what? Make. All right, hope you are understanding this one. So this is basically what? The 4 types of pending orders that we have. I will advise you, if you are a beginner, to use the MetaTrader 4. We have MT5. MT5 is the advanced version. If you want to use MT5, basically ensure to watch my MetaTrader playlist. I explained about MT4, how to set up, and MT5, how to set up as well, and how you can basically place these orders in MetaTrader 5. So guys, if you find value in this particular video, it's going to make my day. If you have not subscribed, according to my YouTube analytics, like 80% of you watching have not subscribed. Please, that's the only way you are going to support the community, by subscribing. If you have not joined the Telegram community, the link is in the description section. Kindly join, because I share what free materials. Okay, I share free materials, and if you want to have one-on-one chat with me or mentorship, kindly ensure to reach me by Instagram at Joseph Cisse Concept. You can check the link in the description as well. So this is basically the tutorial I have for you today. Thanks a lot. I'm Josao from Sierra Leone.